Right now, the business world is pouring resources into artificial intelligence at a speed that outpaces any historical corporate adoption model. Take Anthropic, the company behind the AI model Claude, as quantitative proof of this momentum. This chart shows Anthropic's annualized revenue. Just a few months ago, they were sitting at roughly $1 billion. Today, that number has exploded to $3 billion, but a sweeping new study from HFS Research and Altric reveals a terrifying blind spot operating beneath all this financial momentum. This visualization breaks down AI deployment. A staggering 86% of companies are scaling without a defined strategy. That leaves just 14% with a plan. Slice that further, and only 6% are actually led by a CEO. Billions of dollars are moving at light speed, yet the vast majority of these corporate initiatives have no captain. Nobody is actually flying the plane. Researchers have a formal name for this disconnect. They call it the AI velocity gap. In this 3D chart, the first trajectory represents the speed of technology. It's stuck on fast forward, making an exponential climb in capability. But down here is human governance, our rules and accountability. That line is stuck in slow motion. This expanding distance between the two lines is the exact location where unmanaged danger thrives. The faster the technology moves, the wider this gap gets. Scaling AI without the steering wheel of human accountability multiplies corporate risk far faster than it adds intelligence. We need to step away from the macroeconomic data and look at the ground-level impact this gap has on the human workforce. This graphic highlights a massive accountability void. A full 80% of companies admit that if their AI systems fail, they have absolutely no idea who is actually responsible. That executive vacuum creates intense anxiety. Over half of all employees now believe AI was brought in for one specific reason: to replace them. And because no one is officially in charge, nearly 3/4 of employees are terrified that they will be the scapegoats, forced to take the blame when these unmanned projects inevitably break down. Failing to define responsibility abdicates leadership, replacing corporate innovation with a paralyzing culture of fear. The way to fix this highly technical crisis relies entirely on human leadership, rather than building bigger models or writing more code. First, leaders must directly communicate with their teams to quell that mounting workforce anxiety. Second, they have to define crystal-clear roles so everyone knows exactly who makes the final call. Getting these human elements right leads an organization to a highly profitable state that researchers call AI maturity. But as this visualization shows, it is an incredibly exclusive tier. Right now, only 13% of companies have managed to reach this accountable, mature stage. And look at the specific business rewards they unlock. Over 40% see double-digit revenue growth. Almost 90% report major improvements in customer experience. And they capture a 25% jump in operational speed. By solving the leadership problem, companies secure a massive competitive advantage while stripping away their exposure to risk. That leaves you with one final question: who is actually flying the plane inside your own organization? If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments what complex topics you want us to tackle next. Finally, we want to extend a special thanks to today's sponsor, Synestex Systems LLC, and its founder, Shane Persinger, for helping make this episode possible.